Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Label Art. Today I will show you ice cream packaging label design. If you want this PhD file, so you would definitely check my description link. So let's get started. First, as usual, I take a blank document and choose the background color for canvas. Then I take a rectangle shape and put the rectangle size. For I will set a margin where the basic design will be, and label of the inside margin will also be available. So I choose the rectangle shape for easy to set the margin. Means the weight of the gapping is 100 pixel and height gapping is 195 pixel. Then take a PNG image and that's multiplying. After the multiplying, I will increase it through Ctrl T for transform just as much as I need for canvas. Next, this is the ice cream packaging label art. So I take a JPG image or PNG image of ice cream. Then I take a blank layer, then set the focus light through brush tool. I brought it to the bottom of the ice cream layer, then blur, and I can call Gaussian blur from there. Friends, now see that focus light are melted, these are spread it. I copy the ice cream, then I take a color overlay and put the white color because I will use it as a focus light behind it. Ice cream focus light. I again from the little to the blur from the Gaussian blur and I select it. Then I take a layer mask for erase of unnecessary part through the masking by keeping the foreground color black and decrease the opacity lightly. Guys, I need a chocolatey ice cream, yummy. So I take a chocolatey color for the background. Guys, you are choose any other color as you like it. I will separate the writing portion of the right side. The right side portion is the description or information part of the product like name and brand etc, and left side portion is presentation parts of the product. Product means to show the product attractively. Tool and create a shape through anchor point tool. I put a white color in the shape and copy the shape. I move little bit and create another shape. Then I take a gradient overlay the white part below the shape. Follow this part very carefully. This is a very basic thing, guys, and it's a very simple level, so nothing to explain because you are all understand and known this part. So you are just watch the part carefully and watch the video till the end. Here I show you very easy thing by multiplying a few PNG image and if you want a PhD file, link can be found in my description box. And if you see the mock-up art for ice cream packaging label, so you will definitely go our another channel named Mockup Art. You will get its link in my description box, and watch the video lastly and lets me know how you feel watching the video. Please comment and lets me know if you have any request, and if you have any opinion, lets me know. I will definitely try to do those. Next, I added one to one another picture and adjust the picture. The most important thing of the labeling, adjusting or set the picture. If you set or placed the picture properly as good as possible, your label is very attractive and very beautiful. But professional level is very easy, and it's a very clean. So this packaging means this ice cream packaging label is very professional type, so there is not much to do. So I will add things or those ingredients that are needed for the product. See, only those things I will add it and adjust it. I change the focus light mode for better looking of the picture. Friends, please follow the step carefully, and please watch the video till end, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please comment me. And please watch till the video till the end. Now guys, I added some another picture. Guys, in this label I need a small nut image, so I cut the nut image in the main picture and press the Ctrl J to the main layer, and cut the proper shape through pen tool and adjust it in the main picture. Guys, I repeat again, please follow the whole process very carefully how I am work. Now I added a radial gradient in my canvas. I think the focus light of the ice cream a little more, is much better. So I added a more focused light for better look for ice cream, and adjust the place to the other nuts as per I need for better looking of the picture. Okay, done. Now next part is the text. Write the text. So I will keep the basic design within the margin where my margin is set. In that shape I have left space to write the brand name, so they put the brand name or product name. And you will also change the color as per the need. I put one temporary name. Guys, I added some color in text for get the more attractive look in my packaging label. Please follow the step carefully. If you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for updated my new videos. And also watch to another video. Those link is my description box available, and comment me and lets me know how you feel watching the videos. And if any request, please comment me. Thank you for watching.